Guess who's back in more high stakes action? We got a $50 ball at $37.50. Big numbers, attracting big numbers, guys. On the 250, 1 centino on bed. Let's start a mini party. Come on, give me my minor and major for trifecta. Oh, come on, baby, you gotta get this. Another $12.50. It's a lot of room to come in. Come on in. There's a lot of room, come on in. There you go, come on in. Plenty of room to go around. Give me another $50 ball, baby. Oh, that's it. That's a decent hit. 60 in this machine, and we're like already at 300 or something. Very good 250 bet bonus, guys. $152. Puts us at $367. That's $300 profit right now, guys. Could you believe it? Wow. Welcome to Slot Tour Adventures, and the adventure continues on 375 bet. We got a $75 ball on 5-cent denom. Look at these numbers, huh, guys? Let's pop something nice. Come on, baby. There we go. How is the system doing? Get it. There we go. Thank you. Come on, baby. Save the day. Thank you. Fill up that top row already. Come on, baby. Get it. Top row. Oh, there's the minor. Get it. Come on. Yes. I want the grand, man. I want to go home with a grand. Save it right here. Still plenty of places to fill up. Plenty of places to fill up. Minor. Oh, that's it. There we go. That's nice. So look at this incredible line in a golden century bonus. Wow, on 2 centino, $1 bet, and we are counting, guys. We're approaching 50x. Almost a full screen, just the king right down there. But that was a treasure chest or a wild symbol, and really nice. But I don't know how much this is gonna pay. Let's see. We passed 50x already, guys. Nice, alright. We're in the bonus, by the way, guys. That was a $70 hit. Oh, let's go, do it. Oh, man. And here comes the last spin of this bonus. Is it the last? Oh, do it. Fireballs. Oh, man, that's so close. $74 bonus. Balls here, nice balls. On $3 bet, 2 centino. We got a 60. We got a couple of 30s. This is already over $100. We got a $20 mini. Wow, these are some big balls, guys. Let's hope some more show up, huh? Let's get that major to pop. Please, keep it going, baby. Yeah, there we go. Keep it going. Plenty of spaces. There we go. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Get it. Save the day. Come on. Come on. We got some nice balls, guys. Wow, look at this ball. Jeez. That's nice. $203 bonus, guys. On $3 bet, 2 centino. $403.
Yamaha players will turn your line at 5 6 p.m. Welcome on drawing. If you see your name on one of our production televisions, you'll have to
Thanks for watching, guys. We're back. It's another bonus. Here we go. Just got back in. Can we pop that major? Come on, major. Anything. Mini. Let's go. $20 minis there, guys. Let's get it. Come on. Fifth total, $45 ball. That's great, yeah. Come on, get it. Feel you. I feel it, it's coming. I feel it. Oh, I guess not. What a draw here on Dragon, guys. Bonus right before that one. Here's another $124 for you. Nice, guys. Puts us at $341. Very good.
not to, blah, blah, blah. Located on the first
See if we can
floor
get something else, and we'll be back, guys.
Once again, we're currently looking for
Want some,
Maria
360.
R, Maria D, Angelito B,
Alright, we'll be back.
Steven